to call it the buffet. You get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You can't really pick and choose too much. Mother Nature is going to do what she does, but you're going to get the whole wheel of fortune or disfortune depending on what side you are on with winter weather. 66 degrees today. Some of us reaching into the 70s. It is beautiful out there. We've got clear skies. We've got a slight glimmer there along the horizon as the sun begins to set here from our Sherman Chevrolet Cadillac Tower cam. And this evening for a lot of us is going to be generally okay. It's after 9 o'clock when the fun or lack thereof begins for many folks in eastern and southeastern counties. 20% chance for some thunderstorms starting at 9 o'clock. Temperature staying in the 50s tonight. But as that cold front comes crashing through 9 p.m. to about 3 a.m. Friday is when we can see at least quarter-size hail, 60 to 70 mile-per-hour winds. It can't rule out a tornado or two, mainly along the leading edge of the front. And the highest probability for that is going to be into southeastern Oklahoma, where you already see that level 3 risk there in place. The I-35 corridor, anyone who lives here, you're going to be fine. It's once we get into eastern Oklahoma, we start to see those thunderstorms forming later on tonight. Let's talk timing here. We could see a few showers and thunderstorms going as early as 8 o'clock, but I think it's going to be mainly after 9 o'clock when we start to see stuff. With midnight to about 3 a.m., the primary window where we're going to see this line of thunderstorms developing along the cold front and sliding off to the east. You can see how nasty some of those look. Backside of the cold front, a transition from rain to even some snow, anywhere from 2 to 7 a.m. for your Friday. Once that line of thunderstorms moves out, then we're left with some snow chances there into Friday morning. Expecting flurries to some places could receive up to a dusting there into eastern Oklahoma. But chilly air lingers Friday. It's going to feel like the teens out the door tomorrow morning, but we've reinforcing Arctic air that arrives over the weekend, which means by Sunday morning could feel like the single digits as well as the negatives, and then into both Monday and Tuesday mornings going to be feeling below zero as you're headed out the door just because of those strong northwest winds. Very chilly overall heading into next week as this Arctic air continues to plummet south in Texoma in multiple rounds. And you see the difference here with our high temperatures for this weekend. A high of 21 on the way Sunday afternoon with a low of 10. There's a 20% chance we could see some snow starting to fall mainly in Oklahoma later in the day Sunday, but we are still fine-tuning some of these still in question marks, the precip as well as the impacts. What we do know is it's going to be dangerously cold with wind chills below zero as well as the Arctic air lingering for a couple of days, and any snow chances, if they are going to be able to materialize, it's going to be late in the day Sunday for Oklahoma before this pushes a little further south overnight Sunday into Monday, and then early next week with the cold air that's definitely going to support stuff sticking. The big question is just how much are we going to be getting going forwards into early next week. Morning low is going to be in the 20s. Some of us could be in the low 30s. It feels like the teens. Afternoon highs stay in the 40s for just about everyone. And a look at that 7-day forecast sponsored by K&M Roofing and Construction. Monday, likely the coldest day we'll see overall in the next 7 days, with a 40% chance for some snow early in the morning. 17 the high, lows in the single digits Monday and Tuesday mornings, but warming back into the 40s heading into Wednesday and Thursday afternoons. Guys.